What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Do people say that you are real smart and they're always asking you questions they want answers to? Would you like to get paid to do this? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 sites that will pay you to do homework. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 sites that will pay you to do homework. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. Now please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, speaking of likes, guys, let's get to 25 likes. Last video, I want us to get to 25 likes, but I didn't make it. But this video, I want us to get to 25 likes, because the more likes I get, the more my video will show in the recommended area on YouTube. And you know what that means? More viewers going to check out this video and more potential subscribers. Because once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with some free money. $20 cash and $10 cash. So guys, hit that like button. Let's get this subscribers up to 500 so I can give out this money to you guys. Please watch this video to the very end, because I want you to make the most money you can. I want you guys to make $7,500 a month. And if you use these 3 sites, you will make that amount of money. And before I jump over here to my computer, please check out in the description below. I have some free giveaways that you guys can have right now just for subscribing. And also got some other goodies down there that you can check out, where you can click this link and get paid today. And also I have a link down there where you can click, download this software that will help you get more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the 3 sites that will pay you to do homework. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called School Solver. So it says here, ask a question below and start receiving help. So anybody can come on here, ask the question, and they pay to get the answer. So it says here, only expert tutors. So you're going to be a tutor. All subjects covered. Ask any type of question. Pay what you can afford. Money back guarantee. And this site has been mentioned on TechCrunch, Forbes, Mashable, Product Hut. So it's a very reputable company. It's been in all those publications. And let's go here where it says answer questions, because that's what you're going to be doing. So here are some of the questions. How does the information technology develop? And here are the questions right here you're going to be answering. They got some of them urgent, so they need the question like right away. Some others you could take time to do the research and find out the answer. All right, I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly because I want to get through all the sites and I don't want to make this video too long. So let's go to one other place here. Sorry about that. Scroll down here. I'm going to go to frequently asked questions, and I'm going to a question that you guys probably asking is, how much does this pay? So I'm going here to answering questions, and I'm going to go to how do you get paid. Say when you find a question worth answering, add your answer to the question. This will notify the question author, and to access your answer, they will have to buy it. Once they have, you will receive money in your School Solver account. To withdraw money from your account, payments are done via PayPal, and you can be requested in your account page. So now I don't know exactly how much it costs. It can vary from $1, $2, $5 on up. So once you sign up and you look where it says answer questions, you'll choose one and they'll let you know how much it is. All right. Let me go ahead and go to the next site. So if you like this, if you want to sign up for this, you go to schoolsolver.com. Okay, I'm at the next site. It's called Help with Assignment. And it says here, number 1 assignment help service provider. And the prices are starting from $9.50 per page. So it says here what we do. HWA brings students who needs help on assignments and brilliant tutors from around the world together seamlessly. Our digital solution has helped thousands of students through step-by-step explanations to millions of problems over the past decade. So what they do is they hire tutors to teach students, help them with assignments. So it says here, number 1 rated provider for the last 10 consecutive years. It has 725,503 plus students have benefited, 5,301 tutors available 24/7 to help, assignments delivered 340 plus just today. Say get assignment help from subject matter experts. And how does it work? Upload assignment, get a price quote within 15 minutes, place the order, track your request through our quick tracker, receive complete assignment in your inbox. So that's how this site works. So if you want to be a tutor, what you're going to have to do is send a message to them. So you're going to contact them. You can contact them through chat, or you can send an email and see how to register to become a tutor. And they'll let you know what you have to do to sign up and everything. And once you sign up, then you'll be able to help a student with their assignment and get paid $9.50 per page. Okay, I'm at the last site, and that's tutor.com. And this site been around for a while. And as you can see here, it says for libraries, for U.S. military, for higher learning, and for corporate partners. And right here it says, I need help with, and they have all the different categories as far as they have math, and they have all the math curriculum. They got immediate statistics. They got science, biology, chemistry. So all the subjects that you can think of, they have right here, that anybody can come on here and try to get help. So let me go here. I'm going to show you how you can become a tutor. I'm going to click there where it says become a tutor. So become an online tutor with tutor.com. Our tutors are teachers, professors, PhD students, and industry professionals who are all passionate about their areas of expertise and eager to help students learn. Excuse me. And what you're going to do, you go right here to apply. So you log on when you're available, tutor remotely from anywhere, get paid on a regular schedule, no invoice needed. And you can also get this and use it on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now, let me just go here and click on application, start application. So it's real simple and easy to sign up. So right here it says, welcome, interested in becoming a tutor, becoming a tutor.com provider. Click to create an account and you'll be on your way. So it's just straightforward right here. Get email, password, confirm, password, name and first name and last name. And that's it, and you sign up. So it's very easy. Now, as far as their pay, let me check and see if I can find that out. All right, I'm at the frequently asked questions, and here's one question they have right here you probably need to know is, am I qualified to be a tutor on tutor.com? They said here, currently reside in U.S., so you have to be a U.S. citizen. Sorry about that, people in other countries. But the other sites do cater to people in other countries. And got to have a valid social security number, be eligible to work in the U.S., are available to tutor at least 5 hours per week, and are a student, sophomore or higher, or have a degree from the U.S. or Canada university. So as long as you have some type of college experience, you can be qualified to be a tutor for this site. All right, I'm just looking for the pay. Here it is, right here. How much are tutors paid? You're paid a set hourly rate dictated by the subjects you tutor. And there are incentives available for high quality tutor. So it really doesn't say the pay on here. So basically you'll find out the pay once you sign up. But from my knowledge, the pay can be anywhere from $10 or so. So that's the 3 sites. And if you do all 3 of the sites, you can make up to $7,500 a month, because the assignments are real simple. You can finish them real quick, and you can do a lot of assignments in one day. So if you're interested in this site, go to tutor.com. All right, now you know the 3 sites that you can sign up with today that will pay you to do homework. So go ahead and register with those sites, start doing that homework, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. So please smash that like button. So let's get to 25 likes, because I'm ready to give this money out. And please leave that comment down below, because what I'm going to do is randomly pick 2 comments and reward those people with the free money. So it's important for you to leave a comment down below. And please share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Reddit, LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's the end of this video. Adios. Thank you again for you guys' support. Thank you for getting me to 385. As I keep growing, I'm going to keep giving you good content, guys, because I want to help as many people I can to start making money online. And I'm going to keep providing different methods and strategies and opportunities that will pay you guys to be your own boss. All right, I'm out of here. Before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.